Hi everyone, David Maley here with Tech Know-How, and today I'm going to show you something really cool, simple, and fast. And basically what we're going to do is show you how to export data from YouTube, and then, if you have YouTube subscribers channel, and then how to go and it's going to automatically put it in Google Docs, but how to take Google Docs and do a like or contains or if contains functionality in Google Docs, so you can better filter your data and look at it in different ways. So let me show you how to do this. So let's get on with this. So first, what I've done is this is my a page showing my videos and how much they earn or how many playbacks and their CPMs for the different videos. Now I have it for last 365 days. See this in yellow right here, and this is the download button right here. You would select this. So this is now going to download the last year, right? Puts it right out to Google Docs. So if I click on this, this brings up the output file that it would get in Google Docs, which has the video title. I've minimized some things for privacy concerns, and Google doesn't, or YouTube doesn't want you to have the exact amounts of videos earned displayed, so I have that minimized and not shown. But it doesn't matter. So what we're going to get to here is how would I go and look at this if this is my own data, right? And if I wanted to go and filter this by, like Power BI or maybe Python or Jupyter Notebooks or R, or whatever it is I want to look at. R would be kind of hard because it's going to look at just the letter R. But what you're trying to do is I want to do contains if. So if you look at this column C, I've added column C, and if you click in here and look, what I'm doing is I'm taking what's in this video title. So if you're using your video titles correctly, you have keywords in there that you might want to look under. So when I look at that, I have if REGEXMATCH, which means I'm looking at what's in B3. So in this case, B3 is this, and that's Power BI DAX, how to calculate percent totals in that one case, okay? And I'm looking at it for, quotation marks, Power BI, and you can see it right here. And then if it finds it 1, if not 0. Now I could make this be true or false. I could make it be, whatever I want it to say. But this is basically what I need to say right here. If REGEXMATCH, the field, and then what I'm looking for, Power BI. So it could be anywhere in here. It could be in the middle. It could be at the front. So if you see most of these, it's in the front, Power BI. But is there anything where it's in the back? Let's see here. Yep, this one right here. So let's see. Look at this one right here. And it still finds it. So as you do that, then you copy it down by double-clicking on it right here. And it'll show you a 1 for everything that has Power BI in it. So even if it's farther in, it doesn't matter where it is, because I put it like this, it's going to find it. Now, if I have Power BI spelled differently or I'm missing something there, it's not going to find it. But that's quickly how you do that in Google Docs. You see it right here, based on my YouTube data from YouTube Analytics. Great and easy way to be able then to look at this, and I can go and quickly filter this column to just those ones where it's 1 or where it's not 1. I could remove that, the ones that are Power BI, and look at the numbers differently there, and so on and so forth. I hope you found this interesting and informational. It's a great way to just be able to explore your data. Google Docs is free and easy to use. Thanks again for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day.